Knit this beautiful ribbing of the King's Cable sweater with me. I am knitting the men's size L. You can find the free pattern for more sizes on Ravelry. I'll show you how to knit the even and the uneven row, which alternate until a height of 6 centimeters is reached. More info in my description. Let's start. I used pure sheep wool with 10 wraps per inch, giving a gauge of 13 stitches by 18 rows on a 6 millimeters needle in stockinette, stitch being 10 centimeters by 10 centimeters. Take a 5 millimeters round needle and cast on 72 stitches. I left an 80-inch tail before doing the long tail cast on. Let's start with the uneven rows on the right side. Knit 1. Purl 3. Knit 3. 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 Purl 3. Knit 4. This is your center. Purl 3. Knit 3. 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 Purl 3. Knit 1. The edge stitches are kept in garter stitch. Let's continue with the even rows on the wrong side. Knit 1 edge stitch. Knit 3. Purl 3. 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 Knit 3. Purl 4. This is your center. Knit 3. Purl 3. 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 Knit 3. This row is the exact opposite of the previous uneven row, except for the first and last stitch always being kept as a knit stitch. Knit 1 edge stitch. Repeat these alternating rows until your ribbing measures 6 centimeters in height, ending on an uneven row. Knit the knits, purl the purls, to get a beautiful ribbing. Purl stitches on one side are knit stitches on the other side, and vice versa, will look like this. Once the 6 centimeters are reached, I knitted a total of 15 rows, and the cast on. Follow for my progress and more.